What's up, y'all? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back out here with the Kingkong Tiny 6 here, and I did a little operation on it, a little mini chop shop thing. I changed the batteries power lead to a JST PH 2.0, so it's a little larger now, a little wider, should be more current flow. And also I have a little 230 milliamp hour high voltage battery in here, so we're going to test that out too at the same time with this. So you can see I changed the prop color to this pinkish fuchsia color. But let's get into this real quick, do some quick FPVing with it. It's a little windy out here, hopefully it don't get blown away. There. See if we can get the picture recorded. Okay, so let's get it. See, it's fighting the wind. Let's go FPV with it. Man, this is tough whooping through this stuff in wind. Whoa. Fly around this side here. See if we can. Oops. Whoa. Ah. I crashed. Very windy out here, man. Hope this little high voltage battery holds up. See, we're right here. Try to take off from right here. There's a bird over here. Let's go back to FPV. Whoa! Yeah, the wind's really picked up, man, out here. I don't know if this is really a good idea. Man, the wind's blowing me that way hard. Let's fly back around here. This one is tough. Oops, shopping cart. That was a hard one. I couldn't recover from that. Let's see. Let's take off from right there. One thing I can say, this little thing is resilient. It takes a couple bumps. Uh-oh. Man, it's hard flying in the wind, man. This is like the ultimate whoop area, though. You guys know I'm gonna be having a bunch of fun out here. Once the wind lets up, I'm gonna be having even more fun than this. I'm not flying in acro mode right now. I'm flying in angle mode. I'm not even going to mess with the tree. You can hit that. Oh, we hit it all right. Might be a little too much for it out here. Let's try a little bit more. Whoa! We can make it out of there in one piece. What the heck? Let's try the tree. Man, the wind's blowing this way. I'm full lean to the right almost. Maybe I won't mess with that tree right now. It feels like we might be getting a little low on battery. These high voltage packs are awesome though. I love them. Yeah, our battery's running low. Yeah, I can't even get it back up in the air. So I guess that's it. That's all the whooping we can do with this one battery here. So that's the Kingkong Tiny 6 whooping in high wind. Thanks for watching.